This stock will shock everyone. It is a big surprise. They have partnerships with Uber and Amazon. The earnings were expected to be a negative earnings per share, but it came out positive. They're actually positive currently. It's hard to say. The margins aren't great, but no one expected a positive earnings per share, and the stock price is extremely strong as a result. This company has gone on big runs in the past. In 2021, they went from 15 to 45. And right now, it looks like Hertz, ticker symbol HTZ, is about to go up yet again. This is not financial advice.
This is Sam Putnam. This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
So this is the improvement. Large losses to positive, whatever adjusted it is, EBITDA. So more of their cars are getting used. Less of them are basically, becoming unusable. And revenue did decline, but I guess it's a difficult environment for renting cars. Maybe travel is not super high right now. We can sort of look at cruise lines not doing well, actually. So, and airlines not doing as well as also. So that narrative checks out. If we look at Avis, it's not doing well. So, all right. So it all makes sense, I guess. Hertz, with this positive earnings per share, is expected to be negative. Big move up. And if you look in the past, the stock definitely has shown it can make big moves in short periods of time. This is the move I was talking about in 2021, but that was a euphoric time for all stocks for the most part. So great opportunity given that the market is selling off right now. This is the Nikkei index. Japan, pretty ugly move down, similar to the move down on the Trump Xi talks 2 weeks ago. Since then, Trump and Xi made up in Korea, but still a lot of profit taking right now. So to find a stock that's holding up this well is pretty rare. There are some oil and gas stocks holding up as well. PARR is one of them. But this is pretty unusual. This is a turnaround story for Hertz. So that actually has been the narrative. It's kind of the meme stock of the year. So it is relevant. It's not entirely quantitative to talk about a turnaround story, but for such a small, low price ticker, it really plays a role. And if we look at the cash and the opportunity to sell shares into the market, Hertz definitely has both of them. They don't have much cash, and they do have the opportunity to sell shares in the market. So high offering ability. So, in the past, in September and then in June, they did raise about high hundreds of millions of dollars at $6 and then $9. So somewhere in here, that's a pretty bullish number to raise at $9, and then in June to raise at $6. That's reasonable. So these offerings are, near the price of the stock. This is actually pretty crazy. $9.24 on the 25th of September. Because the stock price was all the way looking at 2024. Still, I mean, the stock price did not get anywhere near $9 really. So very favorably priced offering. So investors definitely think that this company is worth more than it's currently worth. That's part of the turnaround story. This is how they can raise money at any point, right? They can sell it into the market. But this is the turnaround. They came out of Chapter 11, low debt, and we're trying to use all of the cars they have. And it sounds like this quarter they have achieved that. So they still have to work on, I guess, depreciation, using the cars for as long as their lifespan. So maybe they bought some new cars to make all that happen. And they have, like we just saw from that convertible note and just private placement. So when those notes, the debt is converted into shares, those investors, those shares get created. Those investors can sell them into the market. I don't know exactly when, but that can be selling pressure. But so far, just we'll have to see up here around this $9.25 level that we just looked at if there's any selling pressure. So that would be the most important thing to think about. That's going to be an important number. But we're not even there yet. We're down here. I'm just saying the opportunity here is large. So this is the idea, Hertz. It's a turnaround story, and it looks amazing even as the market looks pretty rough. So if you like these ideas, hit that like button. If you want a free course on how to buy stocks before they go up, hit that subscribe. I post that in the YouTube posts once a month. And if you want to do a daily drop-in on the market, head over to stockscommunity.com. You can ask me questions there, and it's $25. So if you think it's worth it, give it a shot. See you in the next one.
This is Sam Putnam. This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.